Hello guys, and welcome to episode 9 of our Teamspeak tutorial series. So in this video I would like to show you how to create two server groups that are going to be used by our Teamspeak administration to moderate the Teamspeak, especially for users that are being, well, let's say not so friendly to other users. So first of all, what we want to do is that we want to copy one of our sorters here, and we are going to name it TS moderation, or actually we're going to name it moderation tools because that describes the best what they are. So first of all, we're going to set the sort ID. So the sort ID on TeamSpeak mod is free. So let's say it's going to be like 10, so that we still have 7 free places for future administration hierarchy. Now that we have this, what do we want to do? Well, we want to create a new group, and we want to name it Muted, and we want to create another group, and we want to name it Sticky. So, what do we want to do next? First, we're going to do the Muted group, and then we're going to do the Sticky group. So, first of all, what I like to do is to set an icon. So let's say we're gonna use this lock for our sticky group, and we're gonna use some muted group. Let's see what we have here. What we could use. I'm just going to use this microphone for muted. So this is going to be muted. This is going to be sticky. Now, what do we want to do? It's very simple. We just want to set a needed group member add power and remove power. And we want two moderators to be able to assign it. So we're going to do needed group member add power of 65, and same for remove power. And we will do the same for sticky. Now that we have this, we make sure that the group is permanent, which it is. And now we will set both the groups individually. So first of all, what we want to do is that we want to set up the muted group. We do this by going to the talk power and setting the talk power to -1, skipping it so that it is not affected by channel groups, and also negating it. At this point, if the muted group is assigned to anyone, it is going to mute him and he cannot speak until this group is removed, or he is given talk power. So this is how your muted group should look like, and now let's do the sticky one. So with the sticky one, it's much more simple. The only thing you do is that you search for sticky, you'll tick sticky client, and that's it. And as of now, you have two simple moderation tools for your Teamspeak administration, which they can use to mute or sticky client into channels. So if in the future you will create channels like Teamspeak jail, they can basically sticky them in the Teamspeak jail, and unless the sticky server group is removed, they'll stay in the jail. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed and learned something, please leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos. If you'd like to support me, there is a link to my Patreon in the description. And as always, have a good day.